All right, so today we're going to try to insulate this roll-up door. That is not an easy task because there really is no space. And if you guys are dealing with the same issue that we are, try to insulate this little metal workshop, but we're still getting a lot of radiant heat here in the morning, eastern sun coming in, and it just cooks this space. So we're going to try to figure out the cheapest way without replacing this door and see the before and after with our little heat tester and see if it works. So stay tuned and let's see if we can find the solution to not only save money, but also get this heat down. All right guys, so you saw the problem that I'm having, and if you're watching this video, you probably are too. What I'm gonna try in this video is install this thermal barrier on the door. This is a very thin product. We purchased this on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. And let's see the before and after. I'll show you how easy it is to put in, if it is easy, and show you the heat difference. We're gonna measure it at the same time as we did today and kind of see if that heat transfer is lower. So let's get into this and we'll see if it works. All right, so this is what the product looks like. It's actually very thin and it's a woven material. It almost has the consistency of like a ground cover. Has some perforations to let the vapor through, so if you're using this in an attic or something like that, it's still gonna allow water vapor to get through. But very thin product. It's got aluminum on both sides from the looks of it, and it's supposed to just reflect the radiant heat and not let it transfer through. All right, so I got my measurements of the door. We're 8 feet wide. This is a 4 foot wide sheet, 250 foot roll, so we have plenty. I think I'm gonna cut my 8 foot out of my length and then run them horizontally. So let me get everything pre-measured. We're gonna get it cut and then we're gonna get it stuck to the door. Trying to make it pretty accurate. So I ended up getting some of this Gorilla spray-on glue. I think this will work out well. It says for metal and cloth and different things, and it's going to be easy to coat. So I'm going to tack this up with some painter's tape real quick just to hold it in place, lift it up, and then spray along the ridges and lock this into the garage. So let's do that next. Slide it up to, like, even with that rib, the top of that rib. There. Are you even with your edge over there with the garage door? Don't be in the track.
No.
Okay. All right, we got it tacked up there with some painter's tape. Just gotta lift this up and then spray rows and then kind of adhere it as I work my way down and tack it to these ridges. That glue stinks, so safety first. All right, so we got this all glued on here. The Gorilla Glue actually did a great job. It's kind of like a contact cement. So you just gotta let it set up for a second. And then this radiant barrier glues on really good. Obviously I could have probably done a little bit better, but it's gonna do the job for sure. Just know that this is not real insulation. This is just blocking a lot of that heat transfer. So again, we get that morning sun, hits this metal door, and it was just radiating in. You could see it was almost 115 degrees coming off this door. Now, I'm gonna shoot it. It's about the same time during the day. And you can see it's dramatically less. So it's just not allowing that heat to come through. Again, it's not true insulation, but for the price point, just eliminating a lot of that heat transfer coming in here and not doing a fully insulated door, this is really a great option, and I think it's definitely going to help in here, especially in the summertime. Going to keep it a little bit cooler in the morning, and then the spray foam is going to take over from there. So I'm really happy with it. So I definitely think it's worth looking into if you guys have roll-up doors and you don't want to upgrade to an overhead insulated door. This is a great option for you, and again, very cost effective. So try it out.